The Translational Research Institute is a large biomedical research institute with science occurring from discovery science all of the way through translation. We have clinical trial facilities which allow us to move that science from the bench all of the way through to the bedside. So given TRI is building a purpose-built manufacturing capacity next door to our research facility, that really creates what we would consider a triangle of industry, research and clinical. So that's a very large biomedical research institute. That's a manufacturing capacity which has the capability to move the science into manufacturing a product in clean rooms and other purpose-built spaces that really require that, to then have the product that can go into clinical trials, which is what we have over here at the hospital and the clinical research facility, and the infrastructure and the people to help make that happen. So that triangle that is geographical, as well as the people, the infrastructure and support, is really crucial to translation. In fact, that for us is what it's all about.